Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope that all of you are fine and all of you are safe from the current situation that we are facing. Okay, so on this note, let us start our class today. So, as you know, we have started our chapter, which chapter? Arithmetic progression, and we have done question number 1 in our previous class. Today we will be starting what? Question number 2. So let's see what does the question number 2 says. Write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. So here we have to find out the first 4 terms of the AP. When your A, that is common difference, that is first term is given A equal to 10 and common difference is D equal to 10. So let's start. How will we do? You see here our first term, we know our first term is already given here. First term A equal to is how much? 10. So first term A equal to 10, right? First term is A equal to 10 and second term. Now we will find out second term. Second term, what we do? We do the sum of the first term and the common difference. So A plus D. Okay. So A is 10 here. D is also 10. So 10 plus 10, 20. Again, what? Third term. So third term is A plus 2D. Okay. The sum of the first term and twice of common difference. Okay. So 10 plus 2 into 10. Okay. So 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20 is 30. Now fourth term. So this one also A plus 3D. This one we have done. This one A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D we have done in our introduction part. Okay. You can see the video again. So A plus 3D is what? 10 plus 3 into 10. So 10 plus 30 is 40. Okay. So we have find out the first 4 terms of AP. Okay. When our first term A is given and the common difference D is given to us. So first term is how much? 10. Second term is 20. Third term is 30. And fourth term is 40. Okay. Okay, now by following the same method, let's do our Roman number 2. So again here, same like before, we will write first term is what? First term A equal to minus 2. Then second term is A plus D, right? So minus 2 plus 0 is how much? Minus 2. Then we will write third term. Third term is A plus 2D. So A is what? Minus 2 plus 2 into 0. So minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. Again we will find out fourth term. Fourth term is A plus 3D. So A is minus 2 plus 3 into 0. So minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. So here our first term is also minus 2. Second term is minus 2. Third term and fourth term are also minus 2. Okay. So like this, by following the same method, we can solve. You can solve all of the rest of the questions that are given in your book. Okay. Then you see what does question number 4 says. Okay. So question number 4 says that we are to find out what? You see which of the following are APs. Okay. Here a list of number is given to you. You are to say that is this list of number that is given, does the list of number form an AP, and if they do, then we are to find out the common difference and also 3 more terms of this AP. Okay, if it forms an AP, if this list of numbers form an AP, we have to find out 3 more terms. Okay, so what we will do? First of all, we will find out the differences. So I have told in your first class, you see, this is what? A1, A2, A3 and A4. How we find out the differences? The common differences, that is what we will do, A2 minus A1, then A3 minus A2, then A4 minus A3. So first of all, A2 minus A1, so 4 minus 2 is how much? 2. Again A3 minus A2, 8 minus 4 is 4. Then A4 minus A3, 16 minus 8 is 8. Okay, so does it form, is this in AP? No, this is not in AP, since the differences are not same. The differences here are not same, right? So what we will write? A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2 and not equal to A4 minus A3, right? So what you will write? Therefore, the list of numbers does not form an AP. Okay, so since it does not form an AP, there is no need to find out 3 more terms. Okay, now next question. What is the next question? Roman number 2. 2, 5 by 2, 3 and 7 by 2 is given. The list of numbers are 2, 5 by 2, 3 and 7 by 2. So let's start like before. A2 minus A1, what we will get? 5 by 2 minus 2. In the denominator you will write 1. So LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So 5 minus 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4 is 1 by 2. Then A3 minus A2. So A3 minus A2 is 3 minus 5 by 2, right? So again here is 1, 2, 3, not 3, sorry, 1 to the 2, 3 to the 6 minus 5 equal to 1 by 2. Then A4 minus A3, okay? So A4 minus A3 is 7 by 2 minus 3 by 1, so 2, then 7 minus 6 equal to 1 by 2. So the differences in these questions are same, right? The difference in this question are same. So what is the common difference here? 1 by 2, right? So you will write, so the list of numbers form an AP with common difference D equal to 1 by 2. So now what we will do? Now we will find out 3 more terms. Okay. Okay, now we will write the next 3 terms. Next 3 terms are, okay, the next 3 terms are what? A plus D, right? So A is what here? 7 by 2, okay, because we have to find 3 more terms after 7 by 2. So your first term here will be 7 by 2 plus D is how much we got? 1 by 2. So here 2, 7 plus 1, okay. So 7 plus 1 is 8 by 2, 8, 4, 2 4s are 8. So we got first one is 4, then next one A plus 2D. Again A is 7 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancels. So 7 by 2 plus 1. Okay. So here 2 and 1 LCM is 2. Then 7 plus 1 2s are 2. So 2. So again what we got? The answer is 9 by 2. Then next one is A plus 3D. So A is how much here? 7 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2. That is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So LCM is how much? 2. 2 1s are 2. 7 1s are 7 plus 2 1s are 2. 3. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 2 5s are 10. So the next 3 terms are how much? 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Okay. So you have understood. I hope you have understood that in this question what we have to do. First of all, we have to see that are the list of numbers that are given form an AP, and if they does, then if they form an AP, if the given list of numbers are in AP, then we have to find out the next 3 more terms. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.